Millions of car owners spend money fixing problems that were hiding behind simple little tricks. And one of these hacks can help you avoid a dead battery, a ruined windshield, or even a repair bill that climbs past $500. Here are 10 genius car hacks you probably won't believe actually work. Let's begin now with hack number 10. Hack number 10, the parking lot location trick. You walk out of a huge store, click your key fob, and suddenly every gray SUV in the lot looks exactly like yours. Here's how to stop that from happening. Before you walk away, open your phone's map app and drop a pin on your current location. Most modern phones let you do it in about 3 seconds. You can also take one quick photo facing the nearest light pole, row marker, or store entrance. Here's the kicker. This is not just for giant mall parking lots. Use it at airports, stadiums, hospitals, and anywhere you may return after dark. You will save time, avoid wandering through rows with groceries in your hands, and you will not have to keep hitting the panic button like your car has disappeared forever. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could keep a small warning light from turning into a costly repair. Hack number 9, tighten your gas cap before you panic. Your check engine light comes on, and suddenly you are thinking about oxygen sensors, catalytic converters, or a $400 shop visit. But on many cars, especially Toyotas, Hondas, Fords, and Chevrolets, the problem can be much simpler. A loose, cracked, or worn gas cap can let fuel vapor escape from the tank. Your car's EVAP system checks whether the fuel system is sealed. If it detects a leak, it may trigger the check engine light. Park safely, turn the engine off, remove the cap, and look at the rubber sealing ring. If it is torn, dry, or missing, replace the cap. A good replacement usually costs around $10 to $25. Then tighten it until you hear several clicks. Here's what they don't tell you. The light may not turn off immediately. Your car often needs a few normal drive cycles before it reruns the test. If the light flashes, or if it stays on after several days, get the car scanned. But checking the cap first can save you from paying a diagnostic fee for a problem you can fix in 20 seconds. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth, because it has fooled drivers for decades. Hack number 8, use your defroster with the air conditioning on. When your windshield fogs up inside, many drivers blast hot air and wait forever for the glass to clear. The fast fix is to press the front defrost button and make sure the AC system is running, even in winter. Here's how it actually works. The air conditioner removes moisture from the air. Your heater then warms that dry air before it hits the windshield. Warm, dry air clears fog much faster than warm, damp air. On most modern vehicles, the car automatically turns on the AC compressor when you choose defrost for exactly this reason. Set the temperature warm, turn the fan to medium or high, select fresh outside air instead of recirculation, and aim the vents at the windshield. You should see a difference in under a minute. But here's the kicker. Running your AC for a few minutes during colder months also helps circulate refrigerant oil through the system. That can help keep seals from drying out while your AC sits unused. Just do not use this trick to ignore a wet carpet or a sweet coolant smell, because those point to a leak that needs attention. Trust me, this next one will shock you, especially if your windshield washer spray keeps missing the glass. Hack number 7, aim your washer nozzles with a sewing pin. Your washer fluid is spraying over the roof, hitting only one side of the windshield or shooting straight into the wipers. That wastes fluid and leaves the part you need to see through completely dirty. On many cars, the tiny washer nozzles are adjustable. With the car off, carefully place a thin sewing pin or straight pin into the nozzle opening. Gently nudge it in the direction you want the spray to go. Make tiny adjustments, then test it. You want the streams to land around the upper middle section of the windshield because airflow pushes the fluid downward as you drive. Do not force the pin deep inside. You are adjusting the nozzle, not drilling into it. If no fluid comes out at all, the nozzle may be clogged. Soak the tip gently with washer fluid or warm water, then try again. Avoid using a metal pick aggressively because you can damage the plastic opening. Now, for a secret car feature that will make life easier when you are tired of scraping ice or burning your hands in summer. Hack number 6, flip your sun visors to block side window glare. Most drivers pull down the visor when the sun is straight ahead, but when the sun blasts through the driver's side window at sunrise or late afternoon, they just squint and suffer through it. Your visor has a second position. Pull it down, unclip the inner edge near the rearview mirror, and swing it sideways toward the door window. It creates a shade right where the low sun hits your eyes. This works on almost every passenger vehicle, from an older Honda Civic to a newer BMW SUV. Here's the kicker. Many cars have a small sliding extension hidden inside the visor. Pull it outward to cover the gap between the visor and the windshield pillar. That extra few inches can make a huge difference when sunlight hits at the exact wrong angle. Keep the visor positioned so it does not block your view of pedestrians, mirrors, or traffic lights. If you made it here, we'll appreciate liking the video. It'll help us do more car tips videos. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem because it can make a summer drive much more comfortable before you even sit down. Hack number 5, vent the hot air out with one door. On a hot day, the inside of a parked car can feel unbearable. You may be tempted to start the engine and run the AC at full blast for 5 minutes. But first, open one front window completely. Then open and close the opposite front door 5 or 6 times. This creates a simple pumping effect. Each door swing pushes hot cabin air out through the open window and pulls in outside air. It will not turn your car into an icebox, but it can drop that first wave of trapped heat quickly. Then get in, start the car, set the AC to fresh air mode for a minute, and only switch to recirculation after the cabin starts cooling. Here's what makes this even better. It reduces the load on your AC during those first few minutes. Your system is no longer trying to cool the absolute hottest air trapped under the windshield. Always check around the car first, especially if children, pets, or loose items are nearby. Here's a trick most people overlook until their battery dies at the worst possible moment. Hack number 4, turn off hidden battery drains before parking. You turn your car off, lock it, and assume the battery is safe. But a weak battery can be drained by simple things: an interior light left on, a phone charger, a dash cam in parking mode, or a trunk that is not fully latched. Before you walk away, glance through the windows, make sure the dome light is off, and the trunk and glove box are shut. Unplug accessories from the 12-volt socket if your car keeps that outlet live after shutdown. If you have an aftermarket dash cam, check its low voltage cutoff setting. A proper hardwire kit should shut the camera down before it drains the battery too far. A new battery can cost $150 to $300 installed, and calling AAA for a jump is never fun when you are late for work. Here's the kicker. If your car sits for 2 weeks or more, take it for a proper 20 to 30-minute drive, or use a smart battery maintainer. Short 5-minute trips often do not replace the power used to start the engine. But this next hack is one every driver should know before they get a flat tire on the road. Hack number 3, loosen lug nuts before you jack up the car. You have a flat, you grab the spare tire, and you lift the vehicle first. Then you try to loosen the lug nuts, and the whole wheel spins while the car is in the air. That is frustrating and unsafe. Here's the right order. Park on firm, level ground, turn on your hazard lights, set the parking brake, and place wheel chocks or a heavy object behind a wheel if possible. Remove the hubcap if needed. While the flat tire is still touching the ground, use the lug wrench to break each lug nut loose about a quarter turn. Do not remove them yet. Then place the jack only at the manufacturer's marked jacking point, usually shown in your owner's manual. Lift the car, remove the nuts, change the wheel, and tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the car and tighten them again. On many vehicles, proper torque is between 80 and 100 foot-pounds, but your manual has the exact number. Here's the kicker. Check your spare tire's pressure at least twice a year. A perfect tire changing plan does not help if the spare is flat too. You may think this next one sounds too simple, but it can protect one of the most expensive parts under your car. Hack number 2. Use a flashlight to spot leaks before they grow. Transmission repairs can cost $2,000 to $5,000. Engine damage from low oil can cost even more. Yet many leaks first announce themselves with a small wet spot on your driveway. Once a month, park in the same clean spot overnight. In the morning, use your phone flashlight and look beneath the engine area. Thin brown or black fluid may be engine oil. Red or pink fluid can be transmission fluid on many cars. Green, orange, pink, or blue liquid may be coolant, depending on the manufacturer. Clear water near the passenger side after using the AC is usually normal condensation. Take a photo if you find something. Check your oil and coolant levels only when the engine is cool and the vehicle is on level ground. Do not ignore a sweet smell, overheating, smoke, or a puddle that keeps returning. Catching a valve cover gasket leak early might cost $200 to $400. Waiting until oil damages other parts can cost far more. And now, hack number 1, the trick that can save your windshield and help you see better in heavy rain. Hack number 1. Clean the inside of your windshield, not just the outside. You wash your car, the glass looks shiny, and then at night, every oncoming headlight turns into a giant blurry starburst. The problem is often a thin film on the inside of the windshield. It comes from dashboard plastics, releasing vapors, cigarette smoke, fingerprints, and even residue from interior cleaners. Use a clean microfiber towel and an automotive glass cleaner. Spray the towel lightly instead of spraying the windshield heavily. Wipe in one direction across the interior glass, then use a second dry microfiber towel to buff it clear. Do this in the shade so the cleaner does not dry too fast. Avoid ammonia-heavy cleaners if your car has window tint or sensitive interior materials. Here's the biggest payoff. Clean inside glass reduces glare, helps defrosters work better, and makes night driving less tiring. For the outside, use washer fluid made for windshields and replace wipers that leave streaks. A good pair of wiper blades usually cost $20 to $50, which is cheap compared with one bad visibility moment in a rainstorm. Which of these did you already know? Drop the number in the comments and subscribe for more simple car hacks that can save your time, money, and stress.